Hi everyone, Sonya here from Nature Unplugged. I'm so glad you've decided to join us this October for our annual hike-a-thon, powered by our partner, Fjallraven. This video is all about how to log your miles for the month of October. We'll start with what activity counts. The spirit of this event is to inspire participants to get outside and challenge themselves to walk more than they normally would, build community, and discover new trails and nature spaces. With that in mind, only intentional walks, hikes, and runs should be logged and counted toward your activity goal. This is not a daily step count. This year, activity tracking must be logged through the Strava app and posted to your profile to qualify for all miles and kilometer-based prizes. This is meant to streamline the experience for all participants. Participants who choose to log their miles manually or with another app will qualify only for our weekly challenge prizes and select raffle prizes. So let's talk about using Strava. Once you've connected your Strava account to your hike-a-thon page and beginning October 1st, all of your walks, hikes, and runs logged in the Strava app will automatically be pulled over and posted to your hike-a-thon page. That means no more manual uploading of miles or tracking maps. As our hike-a-thon community and participation grows each year, this also simplifies things for our team administratively and creates a more equitable and fair experience for all hikers. Now I'm going to share a few tips on how to connect to Strava. During registration, you were asked whether you wanted to connect an existing Strava account or create a new one. If you skip that step, no sweat, you can simply navigate to your individual profile, click the activity icon, then find the Strava icon, which is in the bottom left-hand corner of your page. That will look a little different if you're on a phone. And then connect an existing account or create a new account. It's important to note here that there is a free version of Strava that will provide everything you need to use for this challenge. You do not need to pay for a membership or start a free trial. If you're joining us in this challenge after October 1st, but had been tracking your miles in Strava previously, you can backlog those activities. Strava will only automatically pull data after you connect it to your profile page and then moving forward. To backlog your Strava activity, you'll need to copy and paste the activity link from your Strava account into your hike-a-thon profile. To reiterate, only activity tracked in Strava will be used to determine eligibility for miles and kilometer-based prizes. A final but important note, for those who use Strava to track other activities, please know that the integration pulls over all of your activity. For example, if you use Strava to track and log a bike ride, that data will also post to your hike-a-thon account between October 1st and 31st. Those miles are not eligible, and you must delete them to remain eligible for miles or kilometer-based prizes. I'd also encourage you to take a few moments to log into your Strava account and check out the privacy settings. You have a lot of control over what mapping information you share and with who. That wraps up our tutorial on how to log miles for our 2024 Nature Unplugged Hike-a-thon. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.